Welcome to FM Tuition Academy. Okay, today we'll be looking at a topic called simultaneous equation. Simultaneous equation. Okay, so we'll be looking at a topic called simultaneous equation. How do you solve simultaneous equation? We'll look at a simple simultaneous equation and a complex simultaneous equation. So we'll start first with a very simple simultaneous equation. For example, question 1, they can say x plus 2y is equal to 5, x minus 3y is equal to 6. Okay, the first thing that you do whenever you're solving simultaneous equation, you look at the numbers in front of the letters. Okay, so here in front of x, what number is there? 1. Here again in front of x, what number is there? 1. That's the first thing you look. Again in front of y, what number is there? Positive 2. In front of the y down, what number is there? Negative 3. Okay, so you look at the numbers in front. Here the numbers in front there, 1 and 1. Here the numbers in front are negative 2 on top and then negative 3 down. Okay, so the first thing you do is you look at the numbers in front of the letters. If they are same, then proceed. I repeat, you look at the numbers in front of the letters. If they are same, proceed. If they are not same, I'll tell you what to do. So what are the numbers in front? First we start with x. Are the numbers in front of x same? Yes. Oh, so since they are same, that means proceed. If any of the numbers, whether the numbers in front of the x's or the numbers in front of the y, if they are same, then you proceed. So if the ones in y were same, would have proceeded. If the numbers in x, they are different, you still proceed. If either of them, the numbers in front are same, you proceed. Okay? So I'll remove that. Okay? So the numbers in front here, they are same. The numbers in front of x, they are same. So I'll proceed with this calculation. Okay? So how do I solve it? I come there, I write the equation 1x plus 2y is equal to 5. 1x minus 3y is equal to 6. And then there's this box that you use in the, you also be using it at the time when I'll start teaching you Earth geometry. But that box, you need to know it by heart. It is written S on top, S on top, DA down. Okay, so SS, what does it mean? S, it means same signs. The first S, it means same. Okay, this first S means same. The second S means signs. So I mean not signs. I mean the first S, it means same signs. You subtract. Okay, different signs you add. You have heard what I've said? S, it means same signs. S again means subtract. So same signs you subtract. D means different signs you add. A means add. S means same signs, subtract. Different signs, add. So you look at the numbers in front. What signs do they have? What signs do they have? The numbers in front, the ones that are same. You concentrate on the numbers that are same. So what numbers are same here? It is these ones. Okay, they are same. So you look at their signs. What signs do they carry? One has got a positive, even if it's not written for us. It's assumed there's a positive there. Again, one on down has got a positive. So what kind of signs do they have? They are same. Positive, positive. If it was negative, negative, they are still same. What do? You follow which one? The one on top. This one. Same signs you subtract, because there are same signs here. Positive and positive. So you subtract. Okay? I'm removing the signs just to help you understand. So it means I'll subtract here. So same signs I subtract. So 1, and then I put a minus here. 1 minus 1 is 0. So it means this side will be 0. I don't put. This is positive 2 minus negative 3. So I can solve it this side. Positive 2. I'm now subtracting these ones here. Okay? Positive 2, and then minus this one. Minus, minus, there are two minuses. It's positive 2 minus this side, and another minus here. Minus 3. So, positive 2 minus minus 3. It will be, of course, there are brackets. I'm just doing a sub calculation. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So it means positive 2 minus minus 3, it will be equal to 5. Is equal to what? 5. 5 what? Since this row is for y, 5y is equal to. And then also I do with this one. 5 minus 6. Okay, what is 5 minus 6? It's negative 1. So to find y, you divide both sides by. So you divide by 5 there. You divide by 5. So y is equal to negative 1 over 5. Okay? This is just a sub calculation. Don't get confused. This calculation was just a rough work, so to understand. Okay? So y is equal to negative 1 over 5. Now you have found y, then you pick one of the equations to find x. We'll pick the first equation, 1x. The first equation was 1x plus 2y is equal to 5. We have found that y is equal to negative. So we're trying to find x now. We say when y is equal to negative 1 over 5. That's the one that we found. So we're trying to find x. So it will be x, or 1x, plus 2. On y here you put negative 1 over 5 in brackets is equal to 5. What do you have? X. This is negative 2 times, positive 2 times negative 1. There it will be negative 2 over 5 is equal to 5. We are solving for x. So x minus 2 over 5 is equal to 5. Is equal to 5. Okay, this is the way the question this is 2 over 5. Okay, is equal to 5. What do? So x is equal to 5. This negative 2 over 5 crosses this side, becomes positive 2 over 5, since we're trying to find x. And then x is equal to any number on its own is over 1. Common denominator, it is 5. 1 into 5, 5. 5 times 5, 25. Minus 5 into 5, 1. 1 times a 2 on top, 2. So x is going to be equal to 23 over 5. That's how you solve this type of equations. I hope you have learned something and your mind has opened up. Okay. So I'll proceed to the next question. The next question that I can do for you is 2x minus 3y is equal to 1. 3x minus 4y is equal to 6. Okay, this one I'll put positive, and then you are solving that simultaneous equation. I said the first thing you do before solving, this is example 2. Before solving, you look at the letters in front of the numbers. I mean the numbers in front of the letters. So what numbers are there? Here the numbers in front is 2 and 3. Here the numbers in front is -3 and +4. Are they same? That's what you ask yourself. Are they same? I said if they are same, then you proceed. If they are not same, I will tell you what to do. Have you seen these ones are not same? Here it's 2, 3. Here it's 3, -4. The numbers are not, unless if here it was 2, 2, or 3, 3, or 4, 4. So the numbers are not same. So what do? You do something. So the first thing you do is you write this equation down, because we're trying to change the numbers. So I'll write this equation down. So I ask myself, which numbers do I want to change? Is it y or x? It's up to me. 1/16 over 6. So I'll put brackets like this. Okay, that's the first thing I do. So if I want to change y, I'll switch the numbers in front of y. What numbers are those? In front of y there is -3, so -3 will come down here, and then in front of x there is +4, but I don't carry them with the signs. Sorry, when you put these numbers, don't carry them with the signs, right? Just carry them the way they are. So down there 4 will go this side. Okay, because I want to eliminate 4. I want to eliminate y, so rather. So I've got the numbers in front of y. So 4 that is down goes on top. The 3 here that is on top goes down. Then you multiply. So you start multiplying. This 4 outside, bracket means multiply with what is inside. So 4 times 2. 2 here. It is 8x minus 3 times 4. This 3 here times 4. It's 12. So 12y is equal to 4 times this one here, it is 4. And then also 3 here times this 3 inside the brackets, it's 9x minus, is plus down here, plus 4 times 3, it's 12. Y is equal to 3 times 6, it is 18. Okay, so I'll write this because there's no space there. So it will be 8x minus 8x minus 12y is equal to 8x minus 12y is equal to 4. Okay, is equal to 4. 9x plus 12y, 9x plus 12y is equal to 9x plus 12y is equal to 18. Okay, so after I have multiplied, then you draw that thing I was telling you about, that box. You draw it here. S D A. Same signs, subtract. Different signs, you add. So you look at the numbers that you are changing. Are they same? Because we're trying to eliminate y. So the numbers here, they are same. Can you see them? These ones, they are same. 12, 12. So that's the reason why we swapped the numbers so that we can make them same, because there are no same numbers. So what kind of signs do they carry? This one carries a negative, this one carries a positive. Are they same or different signs? They are different because one is positive, one is negative. So it means the one that is supposed to be used is this one down here. Okay, the one that's supposed to be used in our calculation is this one down. Different signs you add. Okay, so what kind of signs do they carry? Positive and negative. So different signs. you add. So I'm supposed to use this one down. So meaning I'll add this. This calculation will be added. So I'll draw a line like this and then I add them. I put addition here. 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9 is 17x. So meaning when you add these ones, since they are same already, it will be 0. Once they are same, it's always going to be 0. Once they are same, you don't do any calculation there, it's 0 automatically. This is the negative 12 plus negative 12. That will be negative 12 here plus positive 12. It will give you 0 when you do a sub calculation. Maybe you don't believe, so I do it for you. Negative 12 here plus this negative 12 here plus positive 12 plus positive 12. That will give you negative 12. Positive times positive inside the brackets, it will become positive 12. And negative 12 plus positive 12 is 0. That's the reason I haven't done the calculation for here. It will give me 0. Okay, there's no reason of me doing it to give me 0. Okay, 4 plus 18, that is the 22. If you divide by 17, you divide by, let me do the stage on the next one. So we have got 17x is equal to 22, divided by 17 there, also by 17 down. So x is going to be equal to 22 over 17. Okay, so x is equal to 22 over 17. So you have done 22 over 17. That's what x is. So I'm trying to find y. So you pick one of the equations, the original equations. So I'm trying to find y. So in finding y, you pick the original equation. What was the equation for this one? You pick this one, the first equation. Okay? Oh no, this is question. Yes, this is question 2. Okay. So what do you have? 2x minus 3y is equal to 1. Okay? 2x minus 3y is equal to 1. So we say when x is equal to, what was x? X is equal to 22 over 7. X is equal to 22 over 7. Okay? So x is equal to 22 over 7. X is equal to 22 over 17. Is it 17 or 7? 17. Okay. So in front of x there you put 17. So 2 in front of x there you put 22 over 7. I mean crossed, minus 3y is equal to 1. Okay. 2 times 22, it's 44 over 17, minus 3y is equal to 1. So that will be 44 minus 17 is equal to 3y, which is equal to 1. So making 3y the subject, so negative 3y will remain, is equal to 1. When this 44 over 17 crosses the equal sign, it will become negative 44 over 17. Okay. What do you do? Because of this negative, if you want, I can multiply by negative 1 throughout. Okay? Just to remove this negative. If I want, I can multiply by negative. This negative, because I'm trying to get rid of, I just want to find y. So I can simplify or do it on the last stage. Still, it's up to me. So 3y, I think you learned this in grade 8. N number is over 1. Common denominator there is 17. 1 minus 17, it is 17. 1 into 17, it's 17. 17 times 1 there is 17. Minus 17 to 17, 1 times 44. 44. So it will be negative 3y is equal to negative 3y is definitely going to be equal to, what is negative 3? Negative 3y is going to be equal to 17 over 44. 17 over 44 divided by 17 down, divided by 17. So negative 3y is equal to, what is the 17 minus 44? 17 minus 44 minus 144 is going to be equal to negative 127, okay, over 17. I think you can do your mathematics. So negative 3y is equal to negative 127 over 17. So to remove 3y, you divide both sides by, to remove, just remain with y, you divide both sides by 3. So you divide this side and also negative 127 over 17. So you divide both sides by negative 3, even this side also by negative 3. So this cancels out. So y is going to be equal to negative 127 over 17 over 17 over negative 3. So y is equal to negative 127 over 17. This one here, it means divided by. So divided by negative 3 over 1. So you just say divided by negative 3, and any number on its own is over 1. So that would be y is equal to negative 127 over 17. When this division becomes times, 1 goes on top, 3 goes down. Okay? Which is equal to, actually it's negative 3 down here, not 3. Negative 3. There's a negative there. Okay? There's a negative there. There's a negative there. So, negative 3 here. Okay. So, y is equal to negative 127 over 17 times 1 over negative 3. Okay? So y is equal to 127 times 1, negative 127 over 17 times 3 times negative 3. What is 17 times negative 3? So it will give me 51. So it will give me negative 51. So you cancel this negative and that negative since they are same. So y is equal to 127 over 51. 127 over 51. That's the answer. 127 over 51. 127 over 51. Over 51. That's the answer. Okay? I hope you have learned something. I think we did simultaneous equation some time back, but you need to know it because sometimes it comes in exam. You need to have perfect understanding. So example 3, I'll solve a number of them so that your mind opens up to be able to understand. Example 3 is equal to, I can bring a simple simultaneous equation like, what can I bring? I can bring 5x plus 5y. 5x plus 5y is equal to negative 10. Okay, and then 3x minus y is equal to 4. Okay, is equal to 4. So what do you do? I said the first step you do is you check the numbers if they are same. First step, check the numbers in front of the letters. So you check these numbers in front. Are they same? these ones. You check the numbers in front. These, are they same? 5, 3, no. 5, 3, are they same? No. So you check the numbers in front of the letters. 5, 3, are they same? No. 5, 1, so there's 5 there, 1, they are not same. So we choose which one you want to eliminate. Do you want to eliminate the part of x or the part of y? If you eliminate the part of y or you eliminate the part of x, it's up to you. It's you who chooses. Okay, you can choose, so it's your choice. So if we want, we can start with eliminate. If you want to just eliminate x, the one we're dealing with, we eliminated y. So we start. The first thing we do is we write this equation here. Okay, is equal to -10, and then 3x minus y is equal to 4. Okay, and then what do? You put brackets first. So we'll start with these two numbers. Okay, this number on top will go down, this number down will go on top. That is if I'm eliminating x. Okay, if I was eliminating y, this number for y, 5, will go down. Then here there is 1, of course. You remember I said there's an invisible 1. So 1 would have been where 3 is this side. 3 would have been removed, we would have put 1 there. But we are not eliminating y, we are eliminating x. So I'll get the numbers for x. So you multiply 3 times 5, it is 15x, minus 3 times 5 again. So 3 times 5, that is the 15. Okay, is equal to 3 times -10, -30. Okay, 5 times 3 here, this 5 times 3 here. You're multiplying what is outside with what is inside. I think I've explained. Bracket means what is outside is multiplying with what is inside. So 5 times 3, 15x, minus 5 times is an invisible 1 there. 5 times the 1 there, 5y. Oh, 15y there on top. There's equal sign there, equal to, this is -30, 20 there. So we have 15x minus 15y is equal to -3. Again, 15x minus -5y. What is down there? Is equal to 20. Okay, this is 5, not 15. Okay, 15, -50 on top, 5y, 30, 20. Okay, this is it. You have made these numbers same. Okay, our target is to make the numbers same. I think I told you these numbers are same now, 15, 15. So we've made, and then I said whenever these numbers are same, then you bring that box. Okay, same signs, subtract, different signs, add. So you look at those same numbers, what kind of signs do they have? This is positive and this is positive. Okay, here we may here this is positive, even there it is here is positive. We're too fast. Okay, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. Yeah, and then where here it's positive. Let's not get confused. We left the plus then. Okay, we look at the numbers in the signs in front of the numbers. These ones, positive, positive. So same signs, subtract. Same signs, subtract. You pick this one. So it means when solving this, of course there is plus. Same signs, I'll subtract. So it means for this equation is supposed to be subtracted. I said whenever these ones that are all the same, you don't even do anything with them, since they already give you 0. So 15 minus 15 is 0. And then positive 15 minus minus. This is positive 15, the one on top, minus this side. There's this minus, and another minus here. Minus 15 will give me what? So that will be 15 plus 15. It will give me 30. So this by this will give me what? 30. 30 what? 30y is equal to negative 30 minus negative 20. Okay, it will give me negative 50. Okay, so I'll remove this since I've already written 30 here. So that will be equal to negative. I'll do the rough calculations so that you remember. We said d15 minus minus 15, which gave us 30, which is this 30 I've put in. And then negative 30 minus 20, negative 30 minus here, minus 20 down here, this 20, which will give me negative 50. So negative 50. Okay, so 30y is equal to negative 50. You divide by 30, you divide by 30. So this comes out. So that one, the zeros cancel out. So y is equal to negative 5 over 3. Y is equal to negative 5 over 3. Y is equal to negative 5 over 3. That's the answer for y. So you find x. My target here is just to teach you how to master the method. So you have to pass through the calculation slowly to ensure that we do not make any mistakes. But understand the principle. What I'm interested in is to make you understand how to solve simultaneous equation, where we switch the numbers, you multiply what is outside with what is inside, and then if the letters in front are same, subtract and so on. Okay, you need to master that. So based on that, we now pick one equation. The first equation is we'll pick the simpler equation. You can either pick this one on top or you can pick this one down. You choose. All the time I was picking the one on top. Now I'll pick the one down since 5 is higher. Okay, I'll pick this one down. 3x minus y is equal to 4. That's one I pick now. 3x minus y is equal to 4. So I say when y is equal to negative 5 over 3. So where there is y, I'll put negative 5 over 3. So this is negative here. I bring negative on y. It's negative 5 over 3. There are two negatives now. Is equal to 4. Okay. So 3x is equal to negative 5 over 3 is equal to 4. Two negatives on the brackets, they make a positive because they have been multiplied. Okay, is equal to 4. So 3x is equal to 4. This positive 5 over 3 will go this side, it becomes negative 5 over 3. Okay, 3x is equal to over any number on this one is over 1. Common denominator for 1 and 3 is 3. Okay, 1 into 3, 3. 3 times 4, 12. Minus 3 into 3, 1. 1 times 5 it is 5. Okay, so it will be 3x is equal to 12. 3x is equal to 12 minus 5 over 3. So 3x is equal to 12 minus 5, it's 7 over 3. Okay, we're trying to find x. I think I told you this, you divide by 3 both sides. So 3x is equal to 7 over 3. You divide by 3, even that side by 3. So here by 3, even this other side by 3. So this cancel out. So we have got x is equal to 7 over 3 over 3 again down. So that will be equal to 7 over 3. This one here, it means divided by. So divided by 3. And then number is always over 1. So x is equal to 7 over 3. 1 division comes times. 1 goes on top. 3 goes down. Which is equal to x is equal to 1 times 7. It is 7 over 3 times 3. It's 9. Okay. So it's 7 over 9. 7 over 9. 7 here over 9 down. That's the answer. Okay. I've come to the end of the first part. So you can have an exercise that you can attempt. Try the following. So solve the following. So solving the following questions. Question 1. Question 1, it is 2x minus 3, y is equal to 2, 1x minus, actually, minus 3, is equal to 4. Question 1. Question 2, x minus 4y is equal to 6, x plus 3y is equal to 1. Okay, that is question 1. Question 3, 6x minus y is equal to 1. 2x minus 3y is equal to 0. Okay, you already know there's 1 there. I don't need to tell you. You already know that if there's just y, there's 1 there. Okay, and then lastly, 3x minus 2y minus 4y is equal to 2, and then 1 there. You can try that one. I told you if they're already same for you, you know what to do. You just proceed. You don't put the brackets. If they are same in front, if the numbers are same in front of the letters, you know what to do. I've explained these things. Okay, if the numbers are in front are same, you already know what to do. Don't be getting yourself confused. No, if the numbers are same, you proceed. Okay, try this. Let me see what you can understand.